Kevin Jackson.
Hi, Kevin.
Hey, my name is Kevin Jackson. As I said, I do a lot of cloud computing. I really focus on how cloud is supporting and leveraging transition to new business models. One of the things I've seen here in the Ericsson Group is how Ericsson has really focused on helping the operators understand their business models of their clients. And part of this has really been this 5G rollout and, the core. And I came here because it seemed to be the place where telecommunications and cloud computing are kind of getting together. And I was told that you could tell me something about that.
Yeah, and that's actually why we're standing exactly here, right? So you know what this is?
It's a gray box.
Yeah.
A space station?
Yeah, so I don't tell some of my co-workers this, but for me, this box in itself isn't very specific.
Okay.
So this is a radio base station.
Yeah.
And our customers have already rolled out multiple thousands or millions of these ones.
So this is sort of standard, right?
This is a standard.
Yeah.
And so what is special about it is, like you said, this is a radio equipment. But what we have here as well is this little baby.
Okay.
Do you want to take it out,
That
Kevin?
is kind of new. Okay.
Just pull it out.
You're not going to break anything, am I?
Are you sure? So
This is not a radio.
no, this is not a radio.
This looks familiar.
It is. This is a server. And as a server, it might not be the new magical thing, right? But the form factor of it, the fact that this baby actually fits in this radio base station makes this is where we put edge computing at the edge site. And our customers, like I said, they have already rolled this out.
Okay.
So they might have rolled out an edge infrastructure for edge computing without actually noticing it.
So are you telling me that this is actually the physical instantiation of the cloud
Yes,
in
it
telecommunications?
is. This is where it meets. This is where radio and core and cloud meets.
Awesome.
So it's a
Now what? Can you tell me what's in here?
yes. So it's a server.
Okay.
You have dual CPUs for the processing. You can choose of any of the latest Intel scalable processors. We have 16 memory slots for memory.
Yeah.
You'll be able to get out of 100 NICs, so a lot of capacity for the network capacity. This one has 2 slates for the drives, for local drives. Other than that, it's small, right?
Yeah.
It's small. It fits perfectly in here. The next versions we'll also do on accelerating for the really important use cases,
Yeah.
which is especially important for 5G with accelerators. We'll also do a storage version for all the content delivery. You know, we people are watching so much cat videos on YouTube today, so we need to make sure that we can get the content closer to the customers.
So it seems to me this looks like where you can really manage your virtual networks. You can manage and develop and design new business models. You can actually help the operators help their clients as they transition into this new world. And if you're saying that now your radio equipment, your 5G capabilities here, this is all merged, this is standardized, it's ready to go. This is not pie in the sky.
So the radio that we have rolled out in 2015 is 5G ready.
Yeah.
Then you activate the 5G with a switch. It's software.
Yeah.
And this hardware baby will be able to run both the higher layers of the radio workloads, so the VRON, and it will be able to run the core workloads. Again, it's a general server. Then, we all know that 5G will bring a lot of new use cases. IoT, IoT. I love it. Use cases. Surgery.
Right.
And all of those, I hope that we will be able to meet all the low latency. And for that, we need to have this one close to customers as well.
Wow. So thank you very much. This is what I came to
Do you want to
Barcelona.
put it back in?
Yeah. This is what I came to Barcelona for. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure. Very